5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, Granite Bay.
Good morning, Granite Bay.
Good morning, Granite Bay. Good morning, Granite Bay. Good morning, Granite Bay. Good morning, Granite Bay. Good morning, Granite Bay. Good morning, Granite Bay.
Good morning, Granite Bay.
Good morning, Granite Bay.
Good morning, Granite Bay.
Good morning, Granite Bay.
Good morning, Granite Bay. Hello there, GB. Good morning, Granite Bay.
Good morning, Granite Bay.
Oh, Powder Puff Day, baby.
Hello there.
Good morning, Granite Bay.
Good morning, Granite Bay. Good morning, Granite Bay.
Good morning, Granite Bay.
Good morning, Granite Bay. Hey, everyone, and welcome to GBTV.
I'm Maverick Dillon.
And I'm Nick Kaplan. Good morning, Granite Bay. Welcome, squires,
Wenches.
and peasants to GBTV.
I'm Campbell Karras.
And I'm Nick Kapos.
Your favorite Greek sibling duo. Today is the GBTV Senior Special.
It's special because this is our last bulletin.
We'll see some of the year's best moments, ask some seniors some riveting questions, and watch a senior picnic promo.
As well as a montage of some seniors that are hopefully graduating, a blooper reel from this last year of bulletins, and finally, the last scoreboard of the year. But first, from our own A-Push teacher, we should get a checkup on the weather. Delordo, how's it looking out there?
Hi, it's Mr. Delordo. It's a long day, but the weather report for tomorrow is dark. Lots of dark. It's the end of everything. Well, at least of the school year. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Delordo. With that, seniors, up and coming this next Tuesday, May 31st, is Senior Picnic.
Let's dive into a video for more information.
Seniors, this is your day to relax and enjoy a day off campus courtesy of your senior class, your teachers, and administration. Please remember all GBHS rules and behavior expectations. Make sure to bring sun protection, maybe your favorite hat or sunscreen, as well as outdoor games such as frisbee and soccer. Check-in will begin at 8 a.m. in the cafeteria. You must check in no later than 8:30 a.m.
Error.
Food and drink will be provided for the entire day, so no need to bring anything. Plan on riding to and from with the school buses, no exceptions. Don't worry, the buses will return to school no later than 2:30 p.m. We know how much you all love Jamba Juice, but /opened food or drink will not be allowed at the senior picnic, though factory sealed items are an exception. So remember, if you want to bring it to school, then you probably don't need it at the picnic.
Nothing like a good picnic, GL.
I agree.
A huge shout out to Coach Esposito, his staff, and the entire team for an exciting win last night against Rio Americano for the section title. 11th grader Carly Foster has punched her ticket to the state track and field meet this weekend in Clovis, California. She finished second in the 1600 meter running in 101-degree heat on the track to secure her spot on the podium. We will be leaving Friday morning for the state meet. Congratulations, Carly.
The whole team did a wonderful job representing GBHS with Grizzly pride. Abigail Peterson finished 6th in the 400 and Paige Wilcox vaulted a 10.4 inch in the pole vault. Finished 9th and Braden Ashby launched a shot with a great effort, just missing the top 10.
On Friday night in the trials, Paige ran 100 hurdles. Kylie Naska had a top 15 time in the trials of 400 meters. The 4x100 relay team of Abigail Taylor, Jeffrey Hafsa Manhood, and Grace Murphy Cook timed in a very respectable showing, ending the night with a 400 relay of Abigail, Kylie Taylor, and 9th grader Hal Wilson running a top 15 time and finishing the season with a strong showing. Yeah! If you could be a sandwich, GL, what kind of sandwich would you be?
The tomato!
What? That's cool. That's cool.
What about you?
I'd be a tomato.
Well, we need to catch up to the next video.
Yeah. So let's sandwich these bits together.
Let us dive into the next video.
Sourdough, wheat, BL.
Salmon!
Granite Bay. Welcome to the last scoreboard ever for this year. Let's jump right into it. Huge congratulations to our baseball team for the huge win earlier this week. And that's it for scores. It's been a really good ride, Granite Bay, and it's been a pleasure being your sports producer for this semester. And now to get sappy. I've been in the media program since my first day of high school. The lessons I've learned, the things I've accomplished, and the memories I've made, it's irreplaceable and priceless. At the beginning of the semester, I didn't know what scoreboard would be. Whether it would be a hit, a miss, I didn't know. But I was amazed at the response we got. Thank you to coaches, the student section, athletes, and admin for being so welcoming and supportive of us in this new journey. I'm leaving scoreboard proud of what me and my team have accomplished. To my amazing team, Maeve and Shayna, thank you for the time and the energy. We've done something great. See you next season, Granite Bay, and go Grizzlies!
That was totally important.
Anyways, I have so many questions. What are seniors' plans for the summer? Who got senioritis and had their grades dropped? Did a shrimp really fry that rice? What's 9 plus 10?
Hey man, it's okay. All of your questions and more will be answered on this senior special edition of Questions on the Quad.
I should know. I am the star of the video after all. Hey there, Granite Bay. This is Dustin Schumi from GBTV. We're going to be asking a couple seniors about questions on the quad, maybe their summer plans. Let's go. Sir, are you a senior?
Yeah.
This is an Altoids mint box.
I noticed, yeah.
Do you want a mint?
I would
Psych.
No!
Okay, can you mind holding this hot? Okay, it's wet. Which one of you lick this?
Do you have mints in there?
Yeah, do you want a mint? Yeah. Okay. What are you guys doing for the summer, like after graduation?
Well, it's a school trip, so we're going to France, Italy, and Spain.
Wow, I love Italy. I'm Italian, so. You got any plans this summer? You gonna go fishing? You want to go fishing with me? I got a big boat.
Yeah,
Really?
I also have a boat.
Oh, really? We can just
Yeah,
take
we
your
take
boat.
both boats.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
like my
take
my
both
boat
the
is
time
my
together.
boat my boat goes to another school. So I mean, sandwich.
No.
Okay, 9 plus 10. Like mathematically, can you give me an answer?
21.
Okay. Okay. Are you a senior, sir?
I am a senior. A lot of senioritis. I tried hard junior year. This one I kind of took it back. Didn't really care much this year and just having fun.
That's how it is, though.
Yeah.
You got any summer plans besides drinking milk?
Drinking milk, baseball, and the gym. That's really it.
Getting those gains.
Oh yeah.
Seniors, the year is coming to a close. I'm gonna miss all of you and miss Granite Bay as a whole. The campus was great, the food was great, the students, the teachers. We all love it, but that senioritis is hitting hard. See you never. This is the last bulletin. Thank you, Granite Bay.
I'm getting sick of these sandwich jokes.
Yeah, I'm more of a breakfast guy anyway.
That's an excellent opinion.
Waffles, pancakes, sausage, eggs.
Exactly.
Anyway, you like your eggs?
Yeah, I'm a fried egg type of guy. What about you?
Easy. I think cosmic eggs. Well, time to play the next segment.
Time to hatch the next video, the end of the year montage.
I'd expected this to be better.
that this year is almost over with.
I feel like just this morning I was walking onto campus for the first time.
Oh, hey guys, can I anchor too? I haven't really done it before, and I just kind of want to try it out once before I graduate. Is that cool?
Sure.
Sure thing.
Oh, really? You're the best, Jess. Thank you so much.
Whoop. Boop. Okay.
All right. So, what do we have next? Also, where am I supposed to look?
Bloopers.
Oh, okay, cool. Let's dive right in.
I can't wait to get out on that dance floor to show off my dance moves. Did I say dad moves? Wow.
Nathan, the other thing that like not so many people don't use your and I'm not gonna go into more detail. Everyone, my fun moves like the Macarena and the whip nene.
Samson. No recipient name. I can't read that. And Christine Mendez. That's all.
Congratulations.
This cursive. Where, bro? And what does this say? That's spaghetti. Michael, don't leave me here.
Oh, I was like, you're so tall. Nice platforms.
Yo, wait. I've like actually like reached your height now. Am I taller than him now?
Why the best show in show? Yes. Why did the thing go out? Oh, slides. Ryan, you didn't tell me there's slides. You should have told me there's slides. Egg.
Yo.
Problem?
We need to.
That's why I built a whole Death Star to blow up their planets. Now I'm just playing with toys.
Man, I'm glad we moved on from those food jokes.
Yeah, those jokes were getting...
Watch your next words very carefully. What are you wearing?
I'm a hot dog.
Wow, really? No, but why are you wearing a costume?
Well, you know, last bulletin of the year, senior bulletin, dress up, make it a little more entertaining, you know?
No.
We were supposed to be in a costume?
No, Devin. Nathan's just Nathaning, okay? We weren't supposed to be in any
Nick
costume.
sent an email and everything. Like, did you guys not read it?
Did you get any?
Just me?
Did you get any? Okay. I don't know.
Any sort of confirmation? It would be. Yeah, it's a.
I got nothing.
Like. Corn dog. Get it?
Oh, because it's corny?
I can't tell if this is sad or hilarious.
Sad.
Sure, it's a common ocean, perpetual emotion, but I don't need the comfort of any lies. I've seen the ending, and there's no ascending. Rise. Oh, back when I was younger, was told by other youngsters, we might as well be sunset beneath the earth. 'Cause I don't see what they see when they're staring at me. I see a window, a limit,
Well, I think that about wraps it up. Can't say this was the most sensible bulletin, and since those food jokes, I think our viewership ratings have dropped to 3 people in total watching this bulletin.
Yeah, I'm so glad we fully invested into the food joke bit. Thanks for that, by the way.
I don't know where the food jokes came from, but now I'm hungry. Seniors, just some last-minute reminders.
After third period today is the goodbye rally.
And after school today is senior sunset.
Senior picnic is next Tuesday.
Saturday is sober bread night.
And Friday is senior breakfast, and of course, graduation, where we'll say our last goodbyes and receive our diplomas. Be sure to walk up the stage on time, please, and put on that happy face, even if you're not happy.
I'm not happy.
I'm a hot dog.
Also, for all you other kids out there, there is no school on Monday because it was Memorial Day. Are you guys going to be celebrating Memorial Day?
Yeah. It's gonna be good. All right, great. Also, remember to pick up your yearbook if you haven't already. They're going like hotcakes, so you better get that.
I'm a hot cake.
Yeah, you are. And lastly, good luck to everyone who has finals on Wednesday and Thursday.
Are we done?
I'm out. We're done.
No, please.
Yeah!
Just get out of here.
Taking the cup.
Oh,
We out.
Well, this is it, Nate.
Yeah, no, it is.
It was a good run.
It really was, man. I want to thank you for, putting up with all this, right? And but I still don't get what's so weird about half of the bits that we do. Anyways, let's finish this up.
If you have an announcement, recognition, or story idea you want shown on the GBTV broadcast, please submit it to the GBHS communication request Google form with the link below. Also, be sure to follow our Instagram accounts at Granite Bay TV. Nate, do us the honors.
Well, Grizzlies, that's all the news we have for you this year. Have a great summer, Granite Bay, and go Grizzlies!
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep scrolling. Keep going. You got this. Keep going. Into the twilight zone. There we go. Wow, it's really just still going. God, I can't wait to go to college. Yeah.